Hey, what up, guys? It's your boy, Jordan Price. Today I'm showing you my toy that I got at, freaking poopy, that I got at Walmart today. It's a little toy gun. It's an extendo mag with a light. It doesn't shoot. It shell ejects. I'll show you. I don't really want the shells to go everywhere, but freaking booty, I don't know how to do this without the shells going everywhere. Yeah, it's cool. I like it. If I had my $60 right now, I would have. If I can take out the sound effects, I will, because I don't really like them, to be honest with you. They sound stupid. But then, yeah, you just load the bullets back in. The fake bullets. Put them in. Boom. It looks cool. And then, get a little green light. And then, you got real. It's pretty cool. It doesn't eject because right when you put the bullets in, it doesn't eject. So now that it's reloaded, it'll eject. It doesn't. It comes with 2 mags. The other one's in here. That's the full mag. I was using the other mag because I was bored. Wait, yeah. See ya. Jordan Price, your boy, out.